welcome to our YouTube channel Success Mirror, and the slogan of my channel is "Don't stop until you find a way." Let's start with the new important topic. Anjali Kumar appointed as next ambassador of India to the Republic of Mali. The Ministry of External Affairs announced Anjani Kumar was the next ambassador of India to the Republic of Mali. He is an Indian Foreign Service officer of 2003. He will replace Pradeep Kumar Gupta. Study current affairs, which is very important for your all upcoming examination. President Ibrahim Boubacar Keita, capital Bamako, currency West African CFA francs. So here is a point which is very important. He will replace Pradeep Kumar Gupta. Please note down this one. This is also very important. Okay, and the next one is World Science Day for Peace and Development, which is celebrated on 10th November. World Science Day for Peace and Development is celebrated every year on 10th November. The theme for 2019 is Open Science, Leaving No One Behind. The day highlights the significant role of science in society and the needs to engage the wider public in debates on emerging scientific issues. It also underlines the importance and relevance of science in our daily lives. The day was proclaimed by UNESCO in 2001. This is also a very important topic for you, and the notable point is the theme of 29 of World Day of Science is Open Science, Leaving No Behind, and celebrated every year on 10th of November. Please note down this one. This is very important. I hope guys you must enjoy this topic and like this topic very much. And for more related video, please subscribe my channel and share and like my videos. Thank you so much for your valuable time, and thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.